What is up, YouTube? Wild Bill is here. On the last video, we did the RM teardown with the RMX teardown. Thought that was a cop. But we did an RMX teardown on the first part of the restoration. But today, my buddy called. I've been meaning to do some footage of us working on his four-wheeler. He's got a Yamaha Warrior 350, and he had some issues, some noises, and then the bottom ended up locking up. But what it was actually is the bottom of the piston rod. There's two bearings, one at the top of the rod and one at the bottom. The one that connects to the crank seized. So we're gonna get the motor off today, and we've already got the head and the jug off and everything. That's how we found out that the piston rod was seized. But we're gonna get the motor off, and I'm gonna record us doing that a little bit, and just a little extra so y'all can keep up with me, so y'all know what I'm getting into my day-to-day basis. I didn't have to work today, which I did. Need the money. All these projects, they're not cheap, so I mean. But that's what we're doing today. We're going to my homeboy Dustin's house. We're gonna take that motor off his Warrior. Probably gonna get it loaded up, take it to my other buddy house, Tino's, because he's got the case splitter and everything. We're gonna have to split the case to get the crank out, because D-Boy's gonna order a new crank and everything for it. So it's pretty much brand new bottom end rebuild. So, but it's gonna be fun. Y'all stay with me, and I'll bring us back when we're there. All right, y'all. We made it here at my boy's house. And this is what we got. Yamaha 350 Warrior. Piece of shit. Yeah. Y'all see what we got. I'll get you in here. We already got the head off, got the jug off. Now this is not it's seized. The bottom of the rod there, down the bottom. If I can get y'all in there, I would, but I really doubt I can. As loose play that is, it's supposed to be like that at the bottom as well. But it's not. It's a piece of crap. But yeah, that's the objective of the day for today. Me and my boy, we're going down, tear this piece of crap apart. Probably get it loaded up, take it to the other boy's house. He got all the tools to split it. Like I said before, he's gonna buy a new crank and all. So yeah, y'all just bear with us. Let's get this thing tore apart.
I think we ought to get something to see if there's any shavings in it.
Oh, you'll see it.
Am I going the right way?
Lefty loosey.
Oh, hot damn. I don't see no metal in it. I don't think. Damn, put that front down.
We went out, we been out, then right, we right. Okay, now it's out right here in Tennessee. Catch me down at Muddy Creek, busting all those buttons. But you can't do it like me. KTM on my dirt bike, motor hose I don't like. Two-stroke I ride, mixing gas for light. Wind up the gate, adrenaline pumping. I'm thinking about jumping and passing all these lanes. King of the whole shot, they call me Katrina, get right to the front of the lane. I'm whipping and dipping and diving these corners, no brakes, I need it from A. You know I'm on my grind, cause I be out here in the race. Trizzy getting out of my first place. I was gonna shine on Sunday. 2-7 looking like Denjay. Yeah, and you know about my paper, cause I be shredding cheddar like a damn she's greater. Riding on that loam, you know we got it made. Scrub paddy gon' cut it in the way. Motor is my motivation. So gas up for the riders anthem. We ride out, we ride out. Running with the guy to get a first play, can't see me. Tripping now, I'm undefeated. Did your boy get first? Yeah, no, don't think so. Still ride KTM till I go. 24/7, we blowing that smoke. Cause my goons ride too strong, yeah. We stay flexed out for the camera. You ain't gon' catch up to me when I put the hammer down. And we block past another spike. And I ain't no cockbite, but I take your girlfriend on sight. And we riding down, and we riding down, and we riding down, and we riding down, we